Let's learn how to fix iPhone photos not showing location. First method is that to checking location. Open a photo app on your phone and go on any photo you want. You can see that on the top of the screen we don't have location, so because of that you need to look at the bottom of the screen and click on little option in central of screen. Now on this pop-up menu you have an option called Add Location and you need to click on it. Now go to Add Manually Location. When you do that, you will have location on your photo. Second method is that to open a settings app on your phone, and you need to scroll down to find Privacy and Security option, and when you find, open it. Next step is that to click on Location Services. That is the first option in a row. On this page, make sure you have Enable Location Services option. That is the first option on this menu. After that, when you make sure you enable it, scroll down and open a camera options. When you do that, you need to select while using the app. And when you select it, go on your photos to check do you have location. And the last method is that to again open a settings app and go on general option. When you come on this menu, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the screen and click on transfer or reset iPhone. After that, you can see in the bottom of the screen reset option and click on it. Now that will open you a bunch of options where you need to click on reset location and privacy and enter your current password and just click on reset settings, and when you do that you will have location on your photos.